Hi, I'm Charlie, and if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're looking for lessons for a friend, a family member, or yourself. Couple of things. Driving's a life skill. If you started skydiving, would you buy the cheapest second-hand parachute, or would you invest in a more reliable one? In the northeast, the hourly rates typically range between about £19 and £25. Fast Track's rate is £20 an hour. Another thing, just because John or Dave was recommended to you doesn't mean the driving school is. We're all independent tutors, often moving between driving schools, so in effect the school's just an agency. So what else can I look for? Well, only 1 in 3 potential instructors qualify as approved, and a pink badge trainee is allowed to practice on paying pupils for a minimal period. With Fast Track, you have an instructor who's driven for over 40 years and been an approved instructor for 14 years. Each pupil receives a PDF version of Fast Track Driving, a comprehensive word-searchable guide to driving. You'll also have access to the video library, guiding you through challenging intersections throughout the test area. Thanks for listening, and I'll leave you with a few kind words from recent pupils.